Hello guys, thank you for stopping by. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. So I've had these two pieces of wood. I went and I picked them up from somewhere in my garage. I'm going to be using this wood glue and I am going to also use some of this hot glue only for fast bond, and I'm going to glue both of them together, creating a little house. I bought this curtain hook from IKEA, and of course I'm showing it to you backwards. This is what I'm going to be using to hang my lantern. Just keep watching so this can all make sense. And now it's time to decorate this beautiful piece. I have this ribbon from, oh my god, 2 years ago, and I'm still using it. It was a huge roll. I love it. I'm gonna make a beautiful bowl and I'm gonna put it right up here with some hot glue. And I will also start adding some greenery. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, my name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. I am so happy that you decided to stop by and look at the DIYs that I want to bring to your home. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as part of my community. Just remember, the subscription is completely free. Don't forget that notification button, like that every time I upload new content, you will be notified. And now let's continue with this beautiful DIY. And this is it, guys. Look how simple. I purchased this little lantern at Dollar Tree last year. Never got the chance to use it. So this year I'm putting it to use. Let me know what you think about this simple DIY. And today I'm so excited because I'm participating of another open invite. What would you make? The hosts are Zaina from OK at Home DIY and Connie from Connie Creative Creations. And the guest host is Miriam Crafts with Miriam. And I will be leaving their links to their channels down in my description box along with the playlist. And please don't forget to go visit every single one of these talented ladies. And don't forget, give them a lots of love. So I have this acrylic paint from Dollar Tree and it's really watery, so I had ran out of white chalk paint, so I decided to add some baking soda to this and see how it works. After I gave it 2 coats, I guess it was okay, but it's not my favorite paint. I wouldn't recommend anybody buying this. I also found these 2x4 pieces of wood in my garage. I went and I cut them to the size that I prefer, and I'm going to be giving this 2 coats of this watery paint. I did not like this paint. I would never use it again. I will be giving it 2 coats. I have tongue-tied tonight. It's kind of late, so I'm kind of tired, but let's get going. This is the way they came out. Look at this. So now I'm gonna come in with some more wood glue and I am going to be gluing all 3 pieces together, one on top of the other. I'm also going to be adding some of this hot glue only so they could bond together quickly, giving time for that wood glue to dry. And if you haven't guessed, yes, I'm doing a Christmas tree. I also have these dice from Dollar Tree. Of course, they're made out of wood. I went and I diluted this acrylic brown paint with some water. I'm going to be giving it one coat to each dice. I'm giving it a little bit of help to dry and coming back with some of this wood glue. I'm going to go ahead and glue it to the bottom of the tree. It's time to decorate this beautiful wooden tree. I bought these ornaments from Dollar Tree. I thought I would use that star that you see there, but no, watch what I'm going to be using. Now, the Noel sign, I'm going to take all the embellishment, or I should say all the greenery and the bow from in top. But before I continue, I'm coming back with this liquidy, watery paint. I can't get over this paint. I'm so sorry. I'm just gonna go ahead and highly distress it. Okay guys, now it's time to decorate this beautiful tree. Now I could use the hot glue, and now I'm gonna go ahead and put it right in front of the tree. This is going to come out so pretty. So I'm gonna be adding a bow right on top of here and some more greenery around it. So I also added some of these red berries around the bowl. This is so beautiful. I am loving the way this is turning out. I also made this other bowl, and as you see, I added that star right on top along with those snowflakes from Dollar Tree. Now you're gonna have to let me know what you think about this beautiful Christmas tree. I am in love. So this was a piece of tree that was cut. We went and cut it in little slices. I'm gonna go ahead and sand it really good, and then I will be staining it with this color cherry. And again guys, don't forget to visit the playlist. It'll be in my description box. Don't forget to give these young ladies along with the playlist a lot of love. As you can see, I came down with a wipey, and that's what I did. I wiped it down really good, and then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. And now I have some more wood dice from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna do the same process that I just did to the piece of wood. Well guys, now it is the next day, and I have some wood glue that I'm going to be gluing these little legs under here, and we are making a riser. This is so beautiful. You can put this in the kitchen with some hand soap and some lotion, or just simply decorate it however you want. And look how beautiful this turned out. So simple yet so beautiful. You could decorate this however you want. I bought these gingerbreads, little stickers at Dollar Tree, and I bought also this little jar. I went on and I put this gingerbread up here, Later on, you're going to see that I removed it, but this is just an idea. And then you could just put some floral inside, put it on top of this riser, or you can just go ahead and put some wax inside and make a simple candle. The options are endless. It's your DIY, your choice. And don't forget to let me know which of these DIYs is your favorite, and I will see you in my next video.